Welcome to Word 360, episode number 6.
Today's word is convulse. It means strong, uncontrollable shaking in 3 ways. Firstly, body shaking from sickness. Secondly, overwhelming emotions like laughter or tears. And thirdly, chaos in nature or society. Stick with us. We'll dive into real-life examples so you never forget how to use convulse. Let's go! Example 1. Body shaking. Meet James. He forgot his scarf on a cold day. His body convulses, shakes violently, as he waits for the bus. Convulse here means his body's reaction to the cold. Example 2. Emotions. Laughter. Maria convulsed with laughter when her friend showed her a hilarious meme. Here, convulse describes her body reacting to extreme laughter. Example 3. As the horror movie reached its scariest scene, Arjun convulsed in his seat, clutching his popcorn tightly. Here, convulsed describes Arjun's body shaking from fear. Example 4. After hearing the news of her father's death in an accident, Maya convulsed with sobs, unable to stop crying. Example 5. The patient suddenly convulsed on the hospital bed, alarming the doctors. Here, convulsed refers to a medical condition causing uncontrollable body movements. Example 6. The city convulsed with chaos as protesters filled the streets, shouting slogans and clashing with the police. Here, in this context, the word convulsed describes the city's intense and uncontrollable state of disorder. Thanks for spinning with us. If you loved this Word 360, smash that like button, subscribe, and comment a sentence using a convulsed.